The increase in anti-Asian crimes, racism, and bias, particularly this past year, is undeniable, and it is unacceptable. At UW-Madison, we value the variety of backgrounds, voices, and cultures that make up our student body and larger community. A diverse and inclusive campus is what we strive for and are working to improve and preserve every day. I want our Asian and APIDA students to know that you are welcome at UW-Madison. You add richness and depth to our campus community, and you belong here.
Throughout the month of April, UW-Madison is celebrating its Asian, Pacific Islander, and Desi American communities with APIDA Heritage Month activities. The APIDA Student Center and its Student Planning Committee have organized a number of virtual activities centered on the question of identity. I invite you to learn, to engage, and to show your support as we honor their theme, The Spaces in Between. Student Affairs is also launching the APIDA Student Initiative Fund this month to raise transformational dollars for the APIDA Student Center on campus.
The APIDA Student Center is housed within the Multicultural Student Center to serve APIDA-identifying students with academic and social support, programming, and community building. We are here, physically located at the Red Gym on campus, to acknowledge the specific realities APIDA communities experience at UW-Madison, and to connect our students to the larger Wisconsin experience.
Donations to the APIDA Student Initiative Fund will go directly to vital student programming and initiatives that uplift and affirm the voices, experiences, and dynamic lives of APIDA undergraduate, graduate, and professional students. Please consider giving using the link below. Every dollar can make a difference. I will be donating, and I hope you will join me. We look forward to celebrating and to the collective action this month as we honor our APIDA communities.
On Wisconsin.